Hello everyone, welcome back to my another reaction video. Today I'm gonna react on a song, on the Nepali song titled Timrai Nimti. It is I think it is a famous song with 1 million subscriber special, and let's check it out. Timrai Nimti. Nice location, man. I just love melodious songs. Nice start. Nice intro. Cool. So romantic.
Timrai Nimti Tiमी सँगै मरिन पाऊँ तिमी नै मेरो सहारा आऊ न मेरो हात समाऊ तिम्रै निम्ति बाँचे म तिमी सँगै मरिन पाऊँ
So melodious.
तिमी नै मेरो सहारा आऊ न मेरो हात समाऊ तिम्रै छ नाम तिम्रै छ माया मनका कुना कुनामा तिम्रै छ नाम
Nice location.
रहेछ माया मनका कुना कुनामा सपना तिम्रै सजाए
Actually, I'm not turning on the captions. I just want to feel the music. I just want to
पागल छु म तिम्रै
feel the rhythm of the music, feel the melodies of the songs. I don't need to understand the lyrics. I don't need to know what the song means, but I just need to feel the emotions of the songs.
आँखामा हेर मेरो सपना तिम्रै सजाए पागल छु म तिम्रै लागि तिम्रो नामले कराए छुछो नसम्झ मेरो माया तिम्रै त हुँ म हेर यहाँ तिम्रै निम्ति बाँचे म तिमी सँगै मरिन पाऊँ तिमी नै मेरो सहारा आऊ न मेरो हात समाऊ
Okay, it's a video by one second. Okay, it's a video by ANEEL KATWAL. Okay. Lyrics music and vocal is CHHEWANG LAMA. Okay, the cast itself is a singer. Nice. Actually, I don't know the title. I don't know the meaning of this title. Timrai Nimti. If anybody watching from Nepal, or I would like I would like you to please comment on that, and comment and tell me that what does it means, Timrai Nimti. And if you guys want me to react to more others song from Nepal, please drop down the link or just tell me the name of the song. I will try my best to react on that song. And I really love this song. I like the song, and this song so melodious, and I will keep listening this song from tomorrow. Might be from today, but yeah, I have started from today, but I will keep listening from tomorrow as my playlist. It's a nice songs. Okay, until then, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to see more other reaction video with me. Thanks.